3 for 55. Wow, that's hit hard. One bounce four, but it was so flat, hardly went high at all.
Banged in, up and over, too easy. One bounce for four. That's better, but that's it hard. That's it for four. Pulled away, very fine, very fine. Work for Mills, can't get there.
Straight up, who's got this one lined up? This could be the match. Sally! It's gone for four. What about this one? Away from Ronke. So often McCullum's gambled with the slip. He's taken him out now. You would feel. He tried. Now then, that's just going to make it over for six. Yes, it is. It wasn't perfectly hit, but again,